So, will an impacted tooth create nerve damage? And what we call as a tinnitus or tinnitus is the ringing sound in the ear. So the chances of that wisdom tooth causing any type of ringing ear in the ear is very unlikely. However, if you have some pain that is coming from the wisdom teeth, can it cause some kind of a noise in the ear? The short answer is it's possible. So if you have ongoing ringing in the ear, and if you have already seen an ENT or an ear, nose, throat physician, and they have ruled out there is no problem at all, however, you still have the wisdom teeth, I highly recommend you consider removing the wisdom teeth. So that is one part of your question. The second part of your question is, will an impacted tooth cause any nerve damage? The short answer is yes. However, if you have an impacted wisdom tooth, now you got what we call it as a cyst or some kind of an infection developing around the wisdom tooth. Now, can that eventually cause some kind of a nerve damage? Possibly yes. So the short answer to your question is, can a wisdom tooth cause any type of nerve damage? Yes, possibly. Can a wisdom tooth cause ringing in the ear? Yes, the answer is yes. For any type of reasons, and if you're concerned, talk to the oral surgeon and see whether you will benefit by having the wisdom tooth removed.
All right.